Hello, it's Mama here. Welcome back to another DIY. In this video, we're going to make a pleated midi skirt. To keep the video short, I won't go too much into detail about the technical part of pleating or installing an invisible zipper. Instead, I'm going to link the details in the description box below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. I'm going to make 3-inch pleats. To do this, measure the circumference of your waist, divide it by 2, then multiply it by 3. Add seam allowance on all raw edges. You'll need 2 rectangles at this width. Mark the side seam on either side of the rectangle. Then make 3-inch marks on the rest of the skirt. Create the pleats by pinching the marks together. Each pleat will consist of 2 adjacent pinches. Start by matching the first mark with the mark of the side seam. Skip the next set of marks. Make 2 adjacent pinches. Skip again and make another 2 adjacent pinches, and so forth. Open up each set of pinches. Make sure each fold sits right against the next fold. Pin it in place. The back piece should mirror the front piece. See how both of the single pleats are on the same side of the skirt? Baste in place with the white straight stitch. Check out the link in the description box for more details on pleating. With right sides together, sew down one side. Leave the other side completely open for the invisible zipper. Cut a band that is twice the height of the final waistband. I'm including an elastic here to help stabilize my waistband. With right sides together, attach one edge of the waistband to the skirt. Ignore this extra fabric, it's here just in case my skirt is a little too small. Ideally, you want to encase the elastic inside the waistband, but I didn't have enough fabric, so I'm going to have to improvise. Bow the seam up. Position the elastic so that the bottom part of the elastic is right below the seam that is between the skirt and the waistband. Fold the remaining top part of the waistband over the elastic. Fold it under for a nice finish. Mark where the folded line meets the elastic. With right sides together, sew the elastic to the top part of the waistband along the folded line you just drew. Make sure the height of the waistband is even all around. Bow the waistband over to the wrong side, making sure to catch the bottom part of the elastic, sew right in the ditch. Attach an invisible zipper to the open side of the skirt. For more details, click on the link in the description box. Hand stitch the top part of the zipper and seam to the waistband so that the seam lays flat. Sew the remaining part of the side closed. Make sure to pull the bottom part of the zipper out of the way. Lastly, hem the bottom of the skirt by folding it under twice and stitching it in place. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Check out the vlog for more details and behind the scenes on this project. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!